Looking for the best way to keep your food fresh longer and reduce waste in your kitchen? In this video, we break down the 5 best vacuum sealer machines in 2026, comparing performance, features, durability, and overall value. Whether you cook at home or in bulk, these top picks are designed to make food storage easier and more efficient. Number 5. Xiaomi Automatic Food Vacuum Sealer. The Xiaomi Automatic Food Vacuum Sealer is built for efficient and reliable food preservation. With a powerful vacuum degree of 60 kilopascals, it removes air quickly and creates a tight, airtight seal in just 22 seconds. That means you can lock in freshness in less time than it takes to prepare your morning coffee, helping to reduce food waste and extend shelf life with minimal effort. Operating at only 120 watts, this unit is designed to be energy efficient while still delivering strong performance. It is a practical option for households that want to lower electricity consumption without sacrificing functionality. The system is simple to use. Just plug it in, position the bag, and press the button. The machine handles the rest automatically, making it suitable for daily use. It works smoothly with a wide range of food types, including meat, fish, vegetables, dry goods, and leftovers. The package includes 10 reusable food saver bags, allowing you to get started immediately. It can also process multiple packages at once, making batch storage faster and more convenient. Weighing just 0.67 kilograms, the sealer features a sleek and compact design that fits neatly on most countertops. Available in classic white or sophisticated black, it blends easily with modern kitchen decor while delivering dependable performance. Number 4. saengQ Vacuum Sealer Packaging Machine. The saengQ Vacuum Sealer Packaging Machine is an electric automatic sealing solution designed specifically for household kitchens. Operating on 220 volts and equipped with a European standard 220-volt power plug, it integrates easily into a wide range of home setups. Its design focuses on convenience, reliability, and consistent food preservation performance. This machine is suitable for storing meats, seafood, nuts, vegetables, and both dry and moist food. By efficiently removing air from specially designed vacuum bags, it helps slow down oxidation, decay, and bacterial growth. The result is longer-lasting freshness and improved food quality over time. Using multi-layer material heat sealing, it also protects food from freezer burn and spoilage, allowing stored items to remain fresh up to at times longer compared to traditional storage methods. Operation is straightforward. With a single button press, the device begins automatic vacuuming in just 15 seconds. It then completes the heating and sealing cycle in approximately 7 seconds, ensuring a secure and durable seal. The strong vacuum pressure of 60 kilopascals enhances airtight performance, keeping flavors and nutrients locked in. An integrated LCD digital display provides clear visibility of the sealing process, making it easy to monitor each step. Whether preparing meals in advance or organizing weekly groceries, this vacuum sealer offers an efficient way to reduce food waste and streamline kitchen storage. Number 3. Donirt Food Vacuum Sealer Machine. The Donirt Food Vacuum Sealer Machine delivers reliable performance with a strong motor rated at 145 watts, providing consistent suction for secure and airtight seals. Its advanced design ensures that air is efficiently removed from the bag, helping to preserve freshness, flavor, and texture for a wide variety of foods. Equipped with a 7mm wide heating wire, this machine creates a durable and uniform seal. It supports bags up to 31.5 centimeters wide, giving you the flexibility to store everything from fresh fruits and vegetables to large cuts of meat. The built-in cutter adds extra convenience, allowing you to customize bag sizes according to your needs. Operation is straightforward and intuitive. With both single and double pump vacuum options, you can choose the level of suction required. Switching between dry and wet modes is simple with a single button press. The 5 available functions include automatic dry mode, automatic wet mode, seal-only mode, manual vacuum mode, and external vacuum mode, making it adaptable for different storage tasks. For added control, the unit features 3 adjustable sealing temperatures: low, standard, and high. This ensures optimal results based on bag thickness and food type. The detachable flushing base prevents liquid from entering the internal components and makes cleaning quick and easy, protecting the circuit board while maintaining hygiene and long-term durability. Number 2. LAIMENG Vacuum Sealer Packing Machine. The LAIMENG Vacuum Sealer Packing Machine is engineered to preserve nutrients, flavor, and overall food quality by removing oxygen and slowing oxidation, bacteria, and mold growth. By creating an airtight environment, it helps extend shelf life and reduce unnecessary food waste, making it a practical addition to any kitchen focused on efficiency and savings. This specific model, the LAIMENG 6621, is designed for continuous operation. Under dry mode at room temperature, it can seal up to 100 bags in a single session without requiring a cool-down break. That level of endurance makes it suitable for bulk meal preparation, batch storage, or organizing large grocery purchases. Sealing speed is another strong advantage. Depending on whether dry or moist mode is selected, the sealing process takes approximately 6 to 11 seconds. A built-in cutter allows you to create custom-sized bags, offering flexibility for meats, snacks, dried fruits, and even non-food items. With a vacuum pressure of up to 60 kPa, the suction strength ensures a secure and consistent seal. Safety features are thoughtfully integrated. The NTC overheating protection system automatically stops operation and flashes indicator lights if internal temperatures rise too high, then resumes once cooled. A 12-volt low-voltage heating wire enhances operational safety. The 3mm sealing width provides reliable performance, even during sous vide cooking, helping prevent leaks or separation. Number 1. Senior Electric Vacuum Sealer. The Senior Electric Vacuum Sealer MS175 is a portable and efficient sealing solution designed for both home and commercial environments. It handles a wide variety of foods, including grains, beans, ice cubes, meats, fruits, and vegetables. Simply place the food inside a compatible bag, press the button, and the machine automatically removes air and seals the package securely. Built with a 5mm widened sealing line, it creates a firm and airtight closure that reduces the risk of air leakage. A 30cm integrated pocket knife allows smooth and precise bag cutting, making it easy to customize bag sizes according to portion needs. Despite its powerful capabilities, the unit maintains a compact footprint, making it suitable for kitchens, hotels, restaurants, and coffee shops, where space efficiency matters. The motor delivers 250 watts of strong suction power, ensuring quick and consistent vacuum performance. A built-in dehumidification tank with a capacity of 500 milliliters continuously collects excess moisture or liquid during operation, helping prevent spills and protecting the internal components. This model offers 5 sealing modes: dry, wet, soft, crispy, and oily, allowing optimal adjustments for different food textures. Both manual and automatic modes are available, with adjustable vacuum time from 1 to 60 seconds and heat sealing time from 1 to 15 seconds. An external connector also supports vacuum containers and compressed storage bags for added versatility. Each of these vacuum sealers offers unique strengths, from powerful suction to versatile sealing modes and user-friendly designs. Choosing the right one depends on your specific needs and kitchen setup. Check the details carefully and pick the model that fits your food storage routine best.